Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I want to discuss about two simple macros for Catia Sketch Workbench. These two are useful for editing dimension constraints. Of course, dimension constraints, multiple dimension constraints can be modified with this tool from Catia toolbar edit multi-constraint, but if I have multiple dimension, for me it's not very handy, and that's why I build a macro. So for example, I want to select these three dimensions and I want to add an increment to all three, the same increment. In my case, I will just click the macro, add the increment value, let's say 15, and the dimensions are modified. The same if I want to with a negative value, I will just add the negative value and will work the same. The second one is if I want to modify, let's say maybe 4 dimensions to have the same value. I will select another macro and I will enter the value. Let's say, for example, I want to modify all 4 with the same value of 10. So basically that's it. Either we will add to multiple dimensions, multiple dimensions the same value, or we add an increment. How this works? So very simple. To cut script files, yeah, you can copy paste from the screen and to save as cut script and run into your own environment. Just a short explanation. So first side we will declare the variables, the part in the selection. Then we will check if we are inside the workbench of Sketch. After that we will have an input box. We will check if that input box is numeric, and then for each selection we will define the value. In this case, we are all the same, so the value will be equal with the input box text. The other one, basically, we will increment, so the text value, the input box value will be added into the with the value of the constraint. That's it. I hope you enjoyed and have a nice day. Bye.